Alright guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be doing something a little fun. We are going to be installing taillight tints on a Legacy. I've never installed tints before. It looks fairly simple. It's starting to get dark, so I'm going to just dive right into the install. But first step, we're going to clean them, and then I'll just show you guys the overlays, so come on. Alright guys, so these are the overlays, if I can get this out. And so these are the overlays. I got smoked. They have these little holes in them. It's got a little texture to it, but obviously this just goes like this. Boop, boop. It's going to keep this part clear. And I already cleaned them, some rubbing alcohol, so the taillights are very clean. And then we're going to get some water. We're going to spray some water on here, like a light mist. Put this on top of it, align it, and then squeegee it out. And that's basically going to set the film. If you guys want to know where to go get these, because I didn't know where to get these, because I was looking for these for a long time. I'll leave the link down below. You can check them out. So step number one, clean. This is just water and alcohol. Normal rubbing alcohol. Wipe that down, do this one, do the other one, blah blah blah. You guys get it. I never showed this stuff, but I figured why not. So here's basically a before and after. It's really simple, just spray some water down, put the overlay over it, and then I'll just show you. But this is before and after. So this is before, obviously, with the red. And then this is after, with the tints. As you can see, this has like these little cutouts. So when you brake and stuff, or when your lights are on, it'll be more visible. It's really not going to make that big of a difference, honestly, but I think it adds a little texture and a little flavor to the taillight. I like the look. I think it looks good. That's one. Now we just gotta do the other one. That's basically what it looks like, guys. Tints are on. It's actually really simple to do. I thought it was going to be a lot harder. And if you're worried about not having a squeegee, use the credit card. Not really a credit card, it's actually a casino card, but you get it. Any card will work, honestly. They look pretty good. I like the dots. I like the little circle cutouts. They look really good. Pretty sick. How about now? Oh yes, looks so good. With the wrap, with the tails. Ooh guys, this rear end is coming along so good. I have so much more planned. So many more things. Oh! Alright guys, so I know this was a short install. I feel like I'm always doing short installs, but the things we're doing aren't exactly that complicated, so therefore the install is a little bit small. But the car's coming along really well. The taillights look really good. They're tinted. Looks really nice with the wrap that we did 2 weeks ago, last week. But it's looking really good. I have a lot more planned for this. Now we got the front lip on, we got the taillights done. Some other things that I will not tell you guys, because I always tell you guys, but I'm going to keep you guys guessing. But there are some more things coming for the car. It's looking really good. And yeah guys, I'm excited. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you got a question, leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one.